Get down.
Okay, get down.
How are you going to get down? Why are you scared?
I'm scared of heights. Mom, is that high? I got that high to fall. Here's a trap. I'm going to push you down.
No, Devin, why did you do that?
I'm trying to get to him. I'm going to push you down in a minute. I'm scared. 10.
Go push him. Go push him down. We got to go.
Help me.
What do you want me to do? Catch you? You'll make me flat.
No.
You're too heavy. What is he going to do? He's skinnier than I am. You're going to crush him. Come on, Devin, we got to go. Come on. Get down, you big crybaby.
8, 9, 10. Go. Do it.
Devin, we have to go. Come on.
Do it. Ready? Set.
You shouldn't have got up there then.
Do it. Come on. Okay. Scaredy cat. Scaredy cat.
Buck, 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 buck. Go, go, pull him, pull him.
Oh, you're in my leg.
All right.
I'm gonna pull you anyways.